So, you want to get a computer? That's yeah. Or okay. So, where you going? You go to the shop? Okay. You got a MacBook. So, you got MacBook. Why did you get a MacBook? So, I'm going to make up a scenario for you. So, what have you felt? Yep. You go to the Apple shop together to pay. Get a new one. Let's zoom into the head. Huh? What? Okay, I've gone back into my normal phone, so... that was a flashbang. Oh, wait, what's over there? Somebody protecting brain took him out. So, never get a MacBook. That's one thing you should know. You get an F. What did you get? You got a fucking phone. You got a phone. So, phones have an ARM CPU. This one has apps. This is an x86 CPU. This one has programs. I made this video, and you can do basically anything. Yeah, so the ARM CPU would have fucking died if you tried to do shit on it. Yeah, especially animating. You would have got it would have been fucked if that happened. But you know what? You get an F and on the grave. But you got what did you get? My grandma's PC. This is your grandma's? Oh shit! I'm going to open it up. Oh. Oof. Ooh. Yeah, grandma, bro, you grandma. And grandma has a stock fan with an x86. Oh, can't really find anything else here. What? How the hell is this thing even running if there's nothing else in here? You know what? You get a D. Grandma has a good PC. This is probably from the 1900s, but good. Kind of. Oh, you have your own piece. So, how much did you spend on video games? Did you hear me? How much did you spend on video games like Minecraft, Call of Duty? I don't really know. What no, I probably did all of them. You're going to hell. What do you mean? I'm going to look inside it. Oh, I see you. Good. Ooh, that's a like I don't know. That's two things together. Water cooler. Good at cooling. Two EPUs, so one hard drive. You know, you get an A. Get an A. Huh. But you're in hell now, so you can click off the video now. Like, literally click off the video. Okay, so you're still around? Well, do you even... So, why are you even still around? Stop! Go! Let's go off, bro. Bro, there's going to be 3 minutes and 1 second. You should just click off right now. Wait, is there 3 minutes or what? You know what? I don't really care. So x86 made this video. I made it on a laptop. Not the best thing to do when trying to animate, but it's kind of good. So I don't really know what to put. Oh wait, that's the end of the video. This looped back.